Today I am reviewing the MSI Raider 18-inch QHD plus 240Hz gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Every once in a long while, a piece of technology comes along that completely shatters our expectations of what a portable computer can do. We are not talking about a modest step forward or a simple incremental upgrade. We are talking about an absolute powerhouse that completely erases the line between desktop PCs and laptops. Today, we are taking a highly detailed, comprehensive look at the ultimate crowning achievement in elite portable hardware. This is the MSI Raider 18-inch gaming laptop. This machine is a jaw-dropping collection of the absolute most advanced hardware available in the world today. It pairs the top-tier Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with NVIDIA's flagship next-generation graphics, a colossal pool of system memory, and future-proof networking, all wrapped in a premium black chassis. Whether you are a competitive esports athlete, a 3D environmental designer, or a power user who demands zero compromise, this machine is designed to sit at the absolute apex of your digital empire. Let us dive deep into the processing architecture, the revolutionary graphics, the immersive display, and the massive accessory package to find out why this laptop is an absolute masterpiece. Let us start by focusing on the heart of this beast, which is the revolutionary Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 285HX. This 24-core processor is built specifically to chew through the heaviest data calculations, complex programming codes, and AAA gaming workloads with absolute ease. Because it features intelligent workload routing, the heavy rendering and active gaming processes are handled by the performance cores, while your background apps, system security, and stream encoding run quietly on the efficiency cores. To support this elite level of processing power, MSI has packed this machine with a massive 64 GB of next-generation high-speed DDR5 system memory. This means you can keep multiple creative applications, 30 browser tabs, and a massive AAA game open all at the exact same time without a single microsecond of system hesitation. For your main storage, the laptop features a lightning-fast 2 TB PCIe solid-state drive that delivers instantaneous boot-up times and near-instantaneous game loading screens. But the real crown jewel of this laptop is the graphical processing unit. It is equipped with the undisputed king of next-generation visual computing, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, packed with an unprecedented 24 GB of ultra-high-speed GDDR7 video memory. The leap to GDDR7 memory provides a colossal boost in memory bandwidth. When combined with advanced real-time ray tracing and the latest DLSS artificial intelligence frame generation, this laptop delivers stunning, hyper-realistic visuals at flawless frame rates that leave older desktop systems completely in the dust. To show off this incredible graphical power, MSI has integrated a stunning 18-inch QHD Plus display featuring a native 240Hz refresh rate. From the expansive landscapes of massive open worlds to the heart-pounding action of fast-paced competitive shooters, every single visual element is enhanced with perfect, edge-to-edge clarity and deeply vibrant colors. Beyond the raw performance specs, the physical design and built-in features are meticulously engineered for the ultimate premium user experience. The laptop features a 24-zone RGB backlit keyboard that offers highly customizable lighting zones alongside a satisfying, desktop-style typing feel that is absolutely perfect for low-light gaming or typing sessions. For modern workflow integration, the keyboard features a dedicated, one-touch Copilot key, giving you instant access to advanced artificial intelligence tools to jumpstart your creativity, summarize long articles, or assist with complex data tasks. On the networking front, you are fully equipped with cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology. This brand-new wireless standard ensures ultra-low latency, blazing fast wireless file transfers, and a rock-solid internet connection even on highly congested networks. The physical layout is incredibly robust, measuring 15.9 inches by 12.9 inches with a weight of 7.94 pounds. It is packed to the brim with physical connections, including 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, 2 ultra-fast Thunderbolt ports, an HDMI 2.1 display output, a wired network jack, a headphone combo port, a crisp 1080p web camera, and a full-sized SD card reader for creative professionals. To make this an even more unbelievable package, MSI includes a massive bonus docking station set. This premium accessory bundle includes a 7-in-1 Type-C docking station that houses an extra 1 terabyte of high-speed built-in storage, giving you a grand total of 3 terabytes of digital storage. You also get a 32 gigabyte micro SD card with a full-sized adapter, a heavy-duty data cable, a 3-in-1 charging cable, and a premium suede cleaning cloth to keep your screen looking immaculate. To wrap it all up, the MSI Raider 18-inch gaming laptop is an absolute masterclass in extreme mobile computing. By fusing the unmatched power of the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and the flagship 24GB RTX 5090 graphics card with a gorgeous 240Hz display and a massive 3 terabytes of combined storage, MSI has created a definitive desktop replacement that knows no limits. It is a premium, future-proof machine that protects your posture, maximizes your productivity, and delivers the absolute pinnacle of gaming performance. It is an extraordinary investment that will dominate the digital landscape for years to come.